Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design where you want to add the YouTube video. This could be a presentation, social media post, website mockup, or any other design you're working on. The process works the same regardless of what type of project you have open. Once your design is ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several options there, and you need to click on Apps. This section gives you access to Canva's extensive library of integrations and add-ons that extend the platform's functionality beyond basic design tools. After clicking on Apps, you'll see a search bar appear at the top of the panel. In this search bar, type YouTube. This will filter through all available apps and show you options specifically related to YouTube integration. It's a quick way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through hundreds of available apps. From the search results that appear, select YouTube Embed. This is the official Canva app that allows you to add interactive YouTube videos directly into your designs. Unlike simply adding a screenshot or thumbnail, this feature lets you embed actual playable videos that viewers can interact with. Once you've selected the YouTube Embed app, a new interface will appear where you can add your video. You'll see a search field where you need to type or paste the YouTube video link. Simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar when you're on the YouTube video you want to use, then paste it into this field. You can also search for videos directly if you don't have a specific link ready. After entering your link, the video thumbnail will appear in the interface. Click on the video thumbnail that appears to confirm your selection. This tells Canva that this is the specific video you want to add to your design. The thumbnail should show a preview of the video content so you can verify it's the correct one before adding it. Now comes the customization part. Drag the video to the spot you want on your canvas. You can position it anywhere within your design layout. Then resize it by dragging the corners to make it larger or smaller depending on your design needs. The video will maintain its aspect ratio as you resize, ensuring it doesn't look distorted or stretched. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Canva design, making it interactive and engaging for your audience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.